everyone, thank you for joining me today. I pulled a book out of the back of the cupboard. It's Breaking Bad. We have beer brownies. I love recipes like this. They're really straightforward. Just chuck everything in a bowl and mix it. I recommend doing the dry things first. So we have 150 grams of golden granulated sugar, 100 grams of brown soft sugar, 75 grams of cocoa powder, and 100 grams of self-raising flour. Then there's a pinch of salt and a pinch of baking soda. You really barely need any baking soda in this one. For the wet ingredients, we have 200 ml of vegetable oil, 200 ml of any of your favourite stouts or beers, 10 ml or 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3 medium eggs, and then you're just going to mix all of that together. This one is going in a lined tin, either an 8x10 or a 9 square tin, at 180 degrees C for 25 to 30. I would recommend more closer to 30. I did 25 on mine and it was a bit spongy still in the middle. I would also say this is more like a cake recipe than a brownie recipe. I quite like mine to have that kind of crunch top on it. Let me know if you make these and how you get on. As always, stay safe and I will see you in the next one.